Hey guys, welcome back to Market Keys, and in this video we will be doing a review of Hotforex and why I think it is the best broker for you in 2023. Now, I have been using Hotforex for about 5 years, I think, and so far it's always been good. The customer support is amazing. Sometimes I can email them on a weekend and I will get a response. All right, because everybody is assigned a manager. So whenever you sign up to Hotforex, you will be assigned a manager. All right. Now, they are very trustworthy, and let me prove this to you. Let me just scroll down. Sorry, I had to do that so fast. Hotforex is the official partner of the Paris Saint-Germain football team. Now, a very quick and easy way to know if a company is reputable is to look at their partners and who they are working with. Now, this is one of the biggest football teams in Europe, okay? So, once you see things like this, it means that yes, this company is reputable. I highly recommend Hotforex for beginners, especially because you can actually start trading with just $5 actually. So if you're a beginner to forex trading and you want to, get your feet wet, try different things, I think Hotforex is a good place for you to begin. They have MT5, MT4, and they also have their own platform that you can trade on. They have their own trading app. Me personally, I prefer to use MT5. That's always been my favorite. So I only use MT5 on my terminal and also on my Android phone. My brother, he loves to use MT4, so he's always using MT4. All right, so now I'm just going to log into my back office so that you can just see what it looks like. All right, this is my wallet, so I'm not going to show anything else because I don't want to show my ID. But yeah, you can see this is my account, and these are all the withdrawals that I've done so far. You know, all my withdrawals. So this is Skrill for the people who don't know what Money Bookers is. This is Skrill, and I sometimes do withdrawals via my credit card. Yeah, so I do withdrawals sometimes with my credit card. But yeah, so you can get your withdrawals very quickly. It's usually 24 hours or sometimes even less. The next thing I want to show you guys is the different accounts that you have. So let me try and open a live account for you guys just so you can see the different options that are there. So you have three types of accounts. You have the premium, you have micro, and you have zero spread. Now, if you're a beginner, I recommend the micro because the minimum deposit is only $5 and you get a leverage of up to 1,000. So that's very good. So if you're a beginner, that's perfect for you. Now, if you want a zero spread account, which many people have, I have this as well. The minimum deposit is $200 and the spreads are very, very small. All right. So that's the next good thing that I like about them. The other thing, the last thing I'm going to show you is the account summary. So whenever you trade with Hotforex, they're going to show you your trading statistics. So you'll be able to see like how well you're doing, like the best trades that you're taking, the worst trades that you're taking, stuff like that. Just so that you can have a good idea of how you're actually performing. So you can see when I was trading on this account, I wasn't doing very well, right? Because I actually blew this account. All right, but it'll help you to see what you've been doing wrong. I think you can see the statistics of what you're trading. So you can see August, yes, this account made 46%. And then September barely 1%, and then I lost it again in October, and I blew it again in November. All right. So, and you can see the different pairs that you're trading. So, yeah, all in all, I highly recommend Hot Forex. I truly believe that they are the best Forex brokers, especially for international people, right? Because I am in Jamaica. So I'm not a US citizen. I am from Jamaica. I live in Jamaica. That's my country. All right. And they gave me no problems opening up the accounts, verification. Everything was done within 2 business days, basically. All right. So I'm going to put the link to Hot Forex in the description of this video so you can go ahead, sign up, create your free account, and start trading. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care.